What is going on, guys? It's Adrian Racing back here with another YouTube video, and today we have a slightly different vehicle. We have this Ducati Penigale V6 for V4S Corse. And yeah, I've been really busy with school, so I haven't been really posting, and I'm not going to really spend a lot of time talking about this vehicle or this amazing bike. I mean, I don't really have bikes in my collection. This is the second bike that I have, one of two. And yeah, I'm just going to let you guys have a look around this bike, and I'm going to show you just some rolling shots along with it. And yeah, nothing much from this video. It's a really relatively short, a minute, 2 minute video. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy this vehicle. If you really want to see a more detailed video for this bike, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to do it when I'm done with my exams. But yeah, just enjoy this rolling shots, I guess. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys thought. Just like that, guys, a really quick video. If you guys did, remember to like, subscribe to my channel for more content, and check out the links in the description below for my social medias as well as my TikTok account for more unboxing reviews. But just like that, guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.